Dear soul, the Two of Pentacles is considered an active and lively card, often symbolizing equilibrium, managing multiple tasks, and being able to adjust. When interpreted within a love reading, this card can reveal insights into how you handle romantic connections, your capacity to deal with the emotional requirements of love, and the balancing act frequently demanded by relationships. The upright Two of Pentacles implies you are currently balancing different elements of your romantic situation or the emotional aspects tied to your partnership. This could represent handling your own feelings while simultaneously trying to accommodate your partner's, or it might suggest you are reconciling the desire for personal freedom with the demands of your relationship. Key concepts highlighted here include being able to adjust and remain pliable. You're being urged to navigate the fluctuations of romantic bonds with elegance and effortlessness. Should the Two of Pentacles appear inverted, it might signify that you're struggling to maintain equilibrium between your relationship and other segments of your life. This interpretation could point towards instability, avoidance behaviors, or a deficiency in dialogue within your partnership. It could potentially also indicate feeling overwhelmed by the obligations of your relationship or experiencing the sensation that you are bearing an excessive amount of responsibility. The Two of Pentacles advises that you maintain a pliable attitude and remain receptive to evolving circumstances within your relationship. Relationships naturally shift and change, and the capacity to adjust to novel situations and emotions can strengthen the bond shared with your significant other. This card underscores the vital importance of open communication. It is essential to ensure you are articulating your own requirements while also actively listening to those of your partner. A thriving relationship necessitates that both individuals feel their perspective is heard and comprehended. Achieving a healthy equilibrium between giving support and receiving it within your relationship is critically important. Make certain that you are neither exerting yourself excessively nor conversely withdrawing too much from the connection. The Two of Pentacles prompts you to manage your various obligations and personal desires in a way that fosters well-being for both yourself and your partner. Furthermore, this card can suggest that preserving a certain degree of personal independence within your partnership is beneficial. Encourage the pursuit of self-improvement and personal hobbies. This can inject novelty and enthusiasm into your shared life as a couple. From a comprehensive viewpoint in a love reading, the Two of Pentacles can indicate a phase marked by energetic development and evolution. While difficulties may arise, this card suggests that you possess the capability to handle them through adaptability and skillful navigation. It serves as an invitation to approach your relationship in a manner that is both lighthearted yet conscientious, ensuring mutual growth individually and as a unit. The main difficulty presented by the Two of Pentacles involves the necessity of juggling and maintaining balance effectively. This might entail addressing external pressures or internal conflicts regarding the management of your relationship's dynamics. The potential for growth and positive outcomes here is considerable. This card can represent a time for acquiring knowledge and personal development, during which you can cultivate crucial abilities essential for long-term relationship success, such as effective communication, flexibility, and the capacity to prioritize tasks and manage responsibilities. In conclusion, the Two of Pentacles, when appearing in a love reading, advocates for a balanced methodology towards relationships, highlighting the significance of being able to adjust, maintaining communication, and nurturing both individual development and shared progression. By integrating these principles, you can navigate the complexities inherent in love with greater fluency and experience deeper fulfillment within your romantic connections.
Dear soul, when appearing in a career context, the Four of Pentacles signifies an emphasis on stability, security, and achieving material prosperity. This card frequently indicates the necessity of establishing a firm bedrock, cultivating a feeling of continuity, and guaranteeing financial steadiness within your professional realm. Usually, the Four of Pentacles shows a figure encircled by pentacles, which represents a powerful link to material things, money matters, and a practical approach. The presence of this card might point to prioritizing financial steadiness and safety, the requirement to construct a secure base for your career, and an inclination towards acting cautiously and conservatively regarding career choices. and a potential apprehension concerning lack of stability or unpredictability pertaining specifically to your career inquiry. The Four of Pentacles could imply that your present efforts are aimed at creating a steady and safe professional base. You might be diligently endeavoring to foster a feeling of permanence within your career path, perhaps achieving this by securing consistent earnings, cultivating a robust professional circle, or instilling a sense of regularity and organization. Furthermore, the Four of Pentacles could signal a propensity for clinging excessively to your assets, be they financial resources, abilities, or accumulated information. While being pragmatic and dependable is crucial, exercise caution against becoming overly attached to your existing circumstances. This card might propose that you must discover equilibrium between maintaining stability and pursuing growth, and between retaining and releasing. Reflect upon the subsequent questions. Are you retaining a specific facet of your profession or employment primarily due to fear or a desire for security? Do any areas exist where taking measured risks could further your growth and advancement? What methods can you use to reconcile your requirement for stability with your aspiration for professional advancement and discovery? Within a career interpretation, the Four of Pentacles underscores the vital importance of building a firm base and guaranteeing financial steadiness. Although this card may imply an emphasis on safety and pragmatism, it simultaneously prompts you to be conscious of your inclination to cling excessively to your assets. By achieving a balance between maintaining stability and pursuing expansion, you are able to forge a robust foundation conducive to sustained success and satisfaction in your professional life. Obstacles include apprehension regarding lack of stability or unpredictability, propensity for clinging overly tightly to one's resources, and placing excessive importance on financial constancy, thereby hindering development and discovery. Prospects include the chance to build a secure base leading to enduring success, the prospect of cultivating a feeling of continuity and steadiness within your professional journey, and the opportunity to discover equilibrium between being practical and seeking growth, which enables exploration and advancement. By recognizing and engaging with the concepts conveyed by the Four of Pentacles, you are empowered to approach your present career circumstances with enhanced perception, make well-considered choices, and nurture a sturdy groundwork for achieving future success.
Dear soul, this reading discusses the King of Wands card in a financial context. The King of Wands tarot card embodies a lively and magnetic quality. It often signifies a courageous, entrepreneurial character. It also frequently suggests an inherent talent for taking charge and guiding others. Interpreted specifically for personal finance, receiving this card can point towards a phase of notable financial expansion, innovative thinking, and the exercise of financial leadership. Regarding leadership and business endeavors, the King of Wands implies you might be empowered to direct your own financial future. This scenario could involve launching a fresh commercial project. It might mean putting money into a daring new concept. Alternatively, it could simply mean adopting a more assertive and assured approach to handling your money matters. On risk-taking and innovation, this card carries associations with a willingness to undertake deliberate risks. In financial terms, this might indicate that the current time is suitable for looking into new investment avenues. It could also suggest exploring inventive methods to increase your income. However, it remains vital to balance potential dangers with thorough foresight and careful planning. Concerning confidence and personal magnetism, the King of Wands naturally gives off self-assurance and appeal. These attributes are valuable assets in financial negotiations. You might find that your charm and persuasive abilities are particularly effective. This could apply during discussions or when presenting your ideas. About taking action and showing initiative, this card functions as an instruction to initiate activity. it suggests you should not passively await chances to materialize. Instead, you're encouraged to actively create your own opportunities. Whether pursuing a different vocation, requesting a salary increase, or starting supplemental employment, the current period is ripe for proactive engagement. Cultivate your innate leadership. Place faith in your capability to arrive at sound financial decisions. Your intuition and leadership skills can serve as your guide towards successful financial results. Act strategically. While the King of Wands promotes activity, it also emphasizes intelligent activity. Ensure your financial maneuvers are based on knowledge and strategy rather than being purely impulsive. Develop self-assurance. If feelings of uncertainty arise, dedicate efforts to boosting your confidence level. This might involve educating yourself further on financial subjects. It could also mean setting objectives that are realistic to achieve. Additionally, remembering to acknowledge and celebrate your accomplishments can help. From a broader viewpoint, encountering the King of Wands in a finance reading signals a stretch of time offering potential for prosperity and expansion. Yet, it simultaneously serves as a reminder to maintain focus. It prompts you to take measured risks. It also encourages leading your personal financial path with conviction and appeal. It stands as a powerful card capable of indicating success. However, achieving success frequently requires putting in effort, making intelligent choices, and possessing a certain degree of bravery. A challenge. The primary difficulty presented by the King of Wands lies in preventing self-assurance from escalating into recklessness. It is crucial to ensure bold actions are counterbalanced by meticulous preparation. An opportunity. The significant chance highlighted here is for personal financial growth. It also points towards realizing your ambitions and goals, regardless if this is achieved through a new enterprise, an advancement in your career, or a prosperous investment. The King of Wands implies that the present moment is advantageous for setting ambitious targets. In summary, the King of Wands represents a highly favorable card when appearing in finance readings. It points towards displaying leadership, taking decisive steps, and the prospect of expansion. By tapping into your inner leader, acting in a tactical manner, and building conviction, you can successfully navigate your monetary path. This approach allows you to maximize the advantages offered to you.